Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss the four steps to create your portfolio in mutual fund. And this step we are going to discuss like what type of mutual fund you need to choose. There will be a lot of even mutual fund, lot of even funds, lot of even investment option in the market. When you have lot of products, even lot of even asset management companies, they are offering even different funds, different even opportunities. But which mutual fund you have to choose? Where you actually need to invest? That's a big question. So here to understand and to choose the right mutual fund, so there are two things you have to decide. The first and foremost thing what you need to do, that if you have any kind of financial consultant or mutual fund consultant or maybe a financial advisor, so first you need to consult with him, because end of the day, as I told you, this is your money. You need an expert guidance. Without any expert guidance, it's quite difficult to understand, even to mitigate your risk, even to reach your goals, even to mitigate your tolerance, everything when all put together. If I look out, so this step is very important. That is not about what exactly money you are going to invest, what set of money you are going to invest, but you have to choose a right fund and a right even portfolio where you can get even a good money returns. So for that, you have to choose a financial consultant. That is the first step, because that person, he or she, can guide you what exactly the fund, which type of fund, and which is the product or maybe the company or the asset management company where you need to invest. Second, after this expert guidance, you have to study, you yourself have to decide like what is all about the returns for this mutual fund or about this asset or about this company or about this allocation over a period of time. So let's say I'm just giving an example. Let's say if somebody, let's say, invested, or let's say a mutual fund is running more than even 10 years, or let's say more than even 15 years, more than even 20 years, or maybe beyond that, because internationally if you look out, it will be more than that. So I need to understand what is the average past performance, what is the entire even performance over a period of time. That is one thing I have to maintain. I have to decide even that. I need to study on myself, even though after taking even an expert guidance. Again, another thing you have to do, again that by yourself you have to do, and that is also very important, that who is managing this fund. As you have already discussed in the beginning, in the definition of mutual fund, like a fund manager is very important, because he is going to be the decision maker. His entire team report even that one and only person is going to invest. If the investment is right way, then definitely everybody will be benefited. If the investment is not in the right way, so definitely the investment will be a big loss even for everyone, even all the investors. So who is the fund manager? What type of fund he has managed or she has managed in the past, and what exactly way he is going to manage this fund? That is by yourself you have to study. And the third is very important, and before that you cannot even choose any kind of mutual fund, that your intervals, whatever your lump sum, whatever amount you are going to invest or you are going to pay, you have to review about your fund. So let's say if I've invested, let's say past 1 year, or let's say if I've invested past 5 years, so each and every investment if I do each and every month, or if every, let's say, lump sum amount whatever I have invested, so I have to study my own portfolio. I have to look at on my own portfolio how this fund is going on, what is going on, what exactly I'm going to be benefited, whether it is going to be a right way, whether it is going to be a wrong way, or I'm going to be losing my money, whether I'm going to get my money or benefited my investment. All these things that you have to do your own review on your fund. So these three things are very important. And before you choose any kind of mutual fund, any kind of company to invest, you have to do this three practice, and then only you can go ahead, right? So here again, as a layman, when we need to understand all these points, all these 3 points, whatever already you have discussed, as I told you, so with all my 19 years, even I'm just sharing all my experience, whatever I have shared with my customers, if it's going to be helping for you also, I'll be the happiest one. Any moment, any questions, any queries, I'm always welcome. Thanks. Thanks for watching.